the past, I've read about people switching from the BR30 bulbs to the Retrofit recessed lighting trim, but this time I'm deciding to go the other way around. There are pros and cons of each, but I won't be going into that in this video. Before we moved, I did take our Philips Hue BR30 bulbs with me, and rather than buying new ones, I decided to reuse what we currently have. First, I cut off the power, then I pulled out the old lighting fixture. You would have to push the spring bars together to detach them from the can. As you can see, just the can is there and there's nothing holding up the socket, so installing a BR30 bulb there would just look silly. You'll need to find something like this to add a trim for the BR30 bulb and to also hold the socket within the can. Please note that there are different sizes. Mine specifically is a 6-inch can. Next, unscrew the old light, unpack one of the trims and attach them to the socket. You'll need to squeeze the metal tabs of the socket and they will attach right up to the top of the notches in the trim. To attach the trim to the can, it's pretty much the opposite of what you did to uninstall the original light. Push the torsion springs together and then put them into the torsion spring brackets within the housing. It could be a little bit hard to see, so a flashlight can help, but take your time here. Once those spring-loaded bars are in, push the trim up. If your contractor is sloppy and there's too much joint compound for the trim to clear, you may need to cut or break some of it off. Next, install the bulb, then turn on the power at the breaker. I then programmed the new bulbs to the Hue bridge, but I won't cover that here. Same with the Hue switch, which allows you to change the light settings without needing to open up your Hue app. And that is it. Now we can enjoy the new smart lighting setup that we just configured. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next episode.